Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a stunning 1965 Ford Mustang. This is a factory A-code car that has just undergone a complete body-up restoration. It was done 2 years ago. Killer car, guys. Gorgeous color combination. This is not the factory color combo, but I will tell you, man, this car just looks sinister. This car has a killer look. Raven black with the red Shelby striping. It's got the deluxe two-tone red and white pony interior in it. And man, this car just hits, man. This car's just got the look, man. Anybody looking for a mid-60s fastback, I think you're gonna love this car. Killer color combo, factory A-code 289, factory 4-speed, sits good, sounds great, hits the road great. Just a fun car. It's got all the Shelby trim on it. Paint is slick. It's got the fog lights. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. Chrome and stainless is nice. It's got the Shelby front valence on it. Of course, the Shelby hood scoop. Sorry, there's a little something on there, bugs or something. I'm not real sure what it is. Dual chrome mirrors, glass is nice. It's got the TMI seats on it, so they're bolstered. They hold you in there really nice. There is nothing prettier than this color combination right here. I love black cars. Fold down rear seat. Man, this car just jumps out at you. It's a $9 piece right there. Billet aluminum GT rear gas cap. This is a factory A-code. Stone peck there. Nice and straight down the sides. You see those Shelby side scoops on it. Sitting on 17-inch American torque thrust Ds. It's got the GT rear valence, got a great sounding Flowmaster H-pipe dual exhaust system. Sits good. Love the choice in wheels. Car's out of South Carolina. I think it had a DSO of Florida, so it looks like it's always been a Southern car. Of course, it's got the factory front disc brakes. I like it. Man, that's a good looking car. Factory A-code 289 car. They've hopped it up a little bit. It's got a little bit of a cam to it. You'll hear it when we fire it up. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock intakes. Got a nice set of headers on it. You can see the aluminum water pump, aluminum radiator, manual steering, manual front disc brakes, which is the way these things were usually equipped. Chrome air cleaner, finned aluminum valve covers. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. Yes, your VIN is up on your apron. Car's got great sound. Slick paint. Love it. Love it. This car's got oxidized primer floorboards underneath, so Take it to a car show, put mirrors underneath it. A-pillar chrome is really nice, and I'd say it's original. Got a little pitting up there, but really nice. Again, it's got the dual chrome mirrors. Door handles have definitely been replaced. You can see your door seams are nice and clean. Original door tag there. Of course, it's got the Deluxe Pony. Kind of nitpick at that a little bit. The two-tone. Love the bolstered seats. They look original, but you can see they kind of, you can see the sides kind of hug you a little bit, kind of hold you in place. This will be a tough one for Nathan to drive with his size 15s. Fold down rear seat. They put the aftermarket seat belts in it. Headliner looks great. It's got the wood steering wheel. Wood grain dash showing 44,964, but there's supposed to be just a couple thousand miles on this car since it was restored. AM radio. Dash pad looks great. Hurst shifter. Again, it's got a Flowmaster dual exhaust system, stock 300 rear axle in it. These are pretty boring in the trunk. Looks like they spackle coated it. Good looking car, man. Good looking car. Again, very nice underneath. As always, there'll be a few photos of the car in the bottom. We make sure we have that on all our cars at southernmotors.com. I've been stressing this in the videos because of the scams and fraud going on right now. Make sure that you are on southernmotors.com when you're looking at our cars. Don't even take the old YouTube videos. Call us up. 248-620-3355. These are really nice. Good looking car. Love these seats. Really nice. Nice little cam you hear working in here. Get your tires quick. That thing's nice. That's a good looking car, man. That car has a mean look. For reference, Nathan's 6'4" in there. Good oil pressure, fuel gauge works. Check on the temp gauge, see if it works. I know the parking brake does work. Doors open and close nice. I think it's got LED tail lights in it. Yep. Man, you tell me that car's not going to be fun on a Saturday night? Holy mackerel. What's that?
It's coming up.
The radio does work?
The temp gauge.
Oh, temp gauge does work, guys. It's coming up. No on the radio. Blower motor does work. Wipers work. Fog lights work. Okay. Make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Man, that car is pretty right there. Sits good.